have my all the former customer details in this particular Google Sheet, and I want to send them new comeback offer that I have currently launched in my gym for these former customers on WhatsApp like this. But now manually sending WhatsApp message, that too with a personalized name to each and every customer, is going to take a lot of time. That's where I got up an amazing solution which helped me to send bulk targeted WhatsApp messages to my customers on WhatsApp without any manual effort. Yes, you heard it right. I have set up this WhatsApp broadcast using all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. And now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this WhatsApp broadcast for your business too. So to begin with the process, you need to start searching for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see some options. First is sign up for free. If you're a new user, click on sign up for free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. If you want a demo, select this demo option, or else if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I've also attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. And here I can assure you that you are going to get maximum discount using my coupon code irrespective of any other coupon code available. So go and make your purchase now. Alright, so now here to signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here you need to access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see I've already connected a WhatsApp number inside my Chatflow account. So to learn how to connect yours, you can watch out the tutorial available on a YouTube channel or in the description box below. Not only this, let me tell you that it offers some amazing features that are available over here in the left side bar. So if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can watch out the tutorials available on a YouTube channel or in the description box below. Okay, so as you know that we are going to learn how you can set up a WhatsApp broadcast for your target bulk messaging. Then we are going to use the broadcast feature available over here in the left side bar. But before that, let me tell you that I have created this message template inside my Pabbly Chatflow account, using which I'm going to send the bulk WhatsApp messages. If you want to send regular type of message, then you can send that too. But to learn about that process in detail, you need to stay with me till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so firstly, let me show you the template that I have under this template section. Here you can see number of approved, pending, draft and rejected templates. Now let me show you the template that I have. So this is my template, and here I've drafted this message, and here I've also attached the image in my template. And here my template is approved by Meta. That means I can use this template to send the bulk WhatsApp messages. If you want to learn this template creation process in detail, then you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel for the same. Once you have a template, move towards the broadcast section, and under broadcast you can see the total number of broadcasts, number of live, sent and scheduled broadcast. To create a new one, click on this add broadcast button and it will direct you to the WhatsApp broadcast section. From here, select the type as broadcast campaign, and for the name I am going to give the name as new comeback offer. Alright, we are going to move forward. Then it is asking us to select the contact list. So I need to select the contact list to whom I want to send this WhatsApp message. And as you know that I want to send this message to all the contacts whose detail I have in this Google Sheet. So in order to send the WhatsApp message to these customers, I need to add them inside my Pabbly Chatflow account first. For that, we are going to access the contact section from the left side. And now here in this contact section in the left side, you can have a preview of existing contact list. To create a new one, click on this add contact button. And here if you want to add single contact, add details over here, and to add in bulk, select this option. Here you need to upload a CSV file for the data, and as you know that I have data in a Google Sheets format. That means I need to download this data in a CSV file first. Once you have a CSV file, upload the same over here, click on this import contacts, and bulk contacts will be added inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Then you can can create a separate contact list for the same. For now, I'm going to use an existing list that I already have over here. Let me select that. Here I've selected a random list. You can select multiple lists as well. Then comes the refine audience option. So here, using this option, you can exclude the contacts to whom you don't want to send this WhatsApp message. You can exclude the entire contact list, or you can exclude some specific contacts from the list that you have selected over here. Also, you can exclude the contacts with whom you're having an active 24-hour conversation window. For now, I've not selected any. Then comes the message type. You can see two options. First is pre-approved template message and the other one is regular message. So if you want to send a regular one, select this option, select the message type from the drop down, and if you're going to write a message over here, you can have a preview for the same in the right side. For now, I'm going to use a pre-approved template message, and for that we are going to select my template over here. This is my template, and here I've used a variable in the place of name because variables makes a text dynamic, and you can add multiple variables in your draft to make your text look more personalized. So here I've used variable for the name, and here to make this field permanently dynamic, what we are going to do is that we are going to access contact custom fields from the settings. Under contact custom fields, you can see 4 global fields that are name, mobile number, last name and the first name. You can create more contact custom fields as per your variables. For now, I'm going to copy the field name for name and I'm going to add it over here. Alright, now it is asking for an image, so I'm going to upload the image for the same. Alright, so this is the image. I'm going to select it and we are all done. You can see the template has been selected over here. Then it is asking me to test my broadcast message by sending it on my WhatsApp number before sending it to the wider audience. For that, I'm going to add my contact name and here I'm going to add my number. Then we are going to click on the send test message and it says test broadcast sent. So let's go and check our WhatsApp. And you can see instantly a new message has been received on my number with the name Hi Roma, and this is exactly the same message. So with this, we have successfully tested our broadcast. Now it is asking us to schedule the broadcast. If you want to send instant message to all your contacts, select no, and to schedule it for the later, select yes. Here you need to select a particular date and time. While selecting this date and time, make sure you're selecting a future date and time. If you have selected past date and time, then it is going to send instant message to all your contacts. Alright, then comes the automatic retry of failed contacts. If you're going to turn on this button, then it is going to automatically retry to send the same WhatsApp broadcast to all your valid failed contacts. Alright, for now I have turned it off. Then we're going to click on this add broadcast and you can see a new broadcast has been created successfully. Once the broadcast is sent, you can view the stats for the same where you have data of send, delivered, read, pending, ignored and failed. Also, you can resend your broadcast message to all your valid failed contacts by selecting the resend option available over here if you have not turned your button in the broadcast section. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to send bulk targeted WhatsApp messages to your contacts automatically. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots with Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.